Hi. Uh, so once you install winscp and putty, you can connect. So now I'm going to start my instance. See, the IP not changed, so I'm copying the IP. Open the winscp and click the new site, and you have to enter your IP address in the host name, and here you have to type the username. In our case, Ubuntu is the username. Click advanced. Here in the SSH authentication, you have to browse the ppk file. So we have the PEM file, don't have the ppk file. Click all private keys, Jenkins demo PEM. Once you choose this, it will automatically convert into the ppk format. So you have to just click OK, and you have to save this. Just click save. It will automatically choose the ppk file. Click OK. If you want to save it. Okay, so click yes. Yeah, we have connected through the winscp to our Ubuntu system, Ubuntu server. To get into the terminal, you have to click this icon, the second one, putty icon. So this is why we have to install the putty also. If you haven't installed putty properly, you might get an error. So we are now in this server. Okay guys, that's it for this video.